How's it going, everybody? Thanks for tuning into my channel. What I have right here is the med kit that I keep inside of my range bag. This is something totally separate from my IFAK, which I keep on my person. This stays in the range bag and is kind of more. It's got more stuff in it. So let's get into it. Right here on the top, I have two emergency trauma dressings, both from North American Rescue. North American Rescue is an incredibly reputable company. If you don't know about them, then you're probably super new to the gun world. I've plenty of experience with North American Rescue products from my time in the military, so I like to have their stuff, and it's good bang for your buck. Next, I have a CPR mask. This kind of goes in conjunction with the nasal airway that I have right here. This is a 26 gauge nasal airway, nasal pharyngeal airway. If you have a patient who is unconscious, who has, they have difficulty breathing or poor quality respirations, or they are in respiratory arrest, this is going to be your way to help breathe for them. I'm not going to instruct anybody on how to use these products because that's just not my business. I am an EMT and I am CLS trained, so I feel comfortable using this, and I use these on a regular basis with my civilian job. Not the pocket mask; we use a regular bag valve mask, but you get the idea. This is an instructional video. This is just showing you the gear that I have to help you probably decide what you might need for your stuff. All right, next, burn dressing. This is a wet dressing. I don't know, you can burn yourself, either touch your barrel after shooting a couple hundred rounds. It's going to be pretty hot, or any other burns you may come into. It's fairly small. You can see that there's instructions on here, yeah, a good burn dressing would be nice to have. Additionally, I have some wound packing gauze. These are the compress gauze, again, from North American Rescue. You can always find a good use for those. This is one of those super old green bandages that came out of the old IFAKs. It's, I don't know, just nice to have a little nostalgia. And then what I got in here, this is kind of your smaller cuts and scrapes, Band-Aids and whatnot. So we got some rolled gauze, 2 sets of rolled gauze, 2 different sizes. We got some tape. Get some of the stuff out of the way for you guys. Neosporin, because we want to make sure we don't get any infections. This is a larger gauze pad, and then I got another Ziploc bag. Wide assortment of Band-Aids, because honestly you're probably going to be using Band-Aids way more than you're going to be using trauma dressings or anything like that. So nice good assortment of Band-Aids in here. Some alcohol prep pads. We want to make sure we keep all those wounds clean. And then I got some larger 4x4 gauze pads, again for your moderate bleeds. And that's my kit. It stays in my range bag. Again, not an IFAK. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming out. Thanks.